Hi friends! Today, we're going to draw a super cute octopus and learn some fun facts along the way. So let's get started! Welcome to Tiny Hands Art!
Yay!
Let's make a big rectangle. This will be our drawing frame.
Wow!
Now draw a nice round shape for the octopus's head. Like a balloon. This part is called the mantle, where most of the octopus's organs live. Next, I draw the wavy tentacles, 8 of them, because octopus means 8 feet. Wiggle! Now I add the siphon. This helps the octopus squirt water and zoom away when it feels scared.
Whoa!
Time to make 2 big round eyes. Lastly, I draw little suckers on the tentacles.
Yeah!
These help the octopus grab things, even open jars. They can see very well underwater.
Yes!
Wow! Our drawing is complete now. Now time to add colors. First, I take orange and color the whole body, so bright and happy. Then I use yellow for the suckers. They really stand out now.
Woohoo!
Hiya.
And finally, I go over the whole octopus with my marker to make everything bold and clean.
Hello?
Wow! Our drawing and coloring is all finished, and it looks amazing. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun art videos. See you next time, little artists!